There is a fundamental difference between buying a property and investing in property in Cyprus. Buying property usually starts with listings, emotions, and brokers. Investing in property starts with structure, risk control, and long-term planning. From our experience, investors who start with a trusted local lawyer complete their investments faster, with fewer risks and without future complications. This is because many critical questions, legal, tax, immigration, and financial, must be resolved before a specific property is selected. At Feod Group, we always begin with three very practical questions. First, are you investing for resale or for rental income? Second, if rental, is it short-term or long-term? Third, do you want this investment to also provide immigration rights in Cyprus? These answers directly influence the location, the type of property, the budget, and the structure of the transaction. When investors move beyond single-unit purchases, the questions become more complex. Should the investment be made personally or through a company? Can VAT be recovered or optimized? How should funds be transferred from abroad with a clear and acceptable source of funds? This is where experienced local lawyers make the process not only safer but scalable. Once the strategy and legal structure are clear, selecting the right project and developer becomes a logical step, not a guess. We selected this area of Land of Tomorrow in Larnaca as legal and investment consultants because we closely monitor price dynamics per square meter and long-term demand in the city. From an investment perspective, why is purchasing off-plan at an early construction stage is more attractive for investors?
There is several reasons why it's more attractive for an investors. The main reason is the price that you can purchase the property at the off-plan stage. The price is considerably reduced because the value of the price is expected to grow throughout the year. So when you are buying now, you can capitalize on the extra value of in the future. The second reason is that as a developer, we always reduce the price in the off-plan stage because it gives us also an advantage to have early income in the project.
When we analyze this area, we see that average prices for internal area of apartment space has increased from 3,200 euros per square meter to 5,000 euros per square meter over the last year. In your residential complexes, pricing is around 3,900 euros per square meter, which already includes additional values such as gym, swimming pool, children's playground, features not always available in other residential buildings. Based on this comparison, do you expect prices in your projects to increase further during construction?
Absolutely. It's us as the developer, we are the first investors in the area. So when we do the investment, we do the investment because we expect that it's a location that will see growth, it will see value appreciation in the future. So we invest more heavily than a single buyer. So we really believe in the location that we invest. Especially here where we are standing now, we are approximately 400 meters from the seafront. We are 5 minutes drive from the city center of Larnaca, 5 minutes drive to the tourist area of Oroklini and Pila. And we also offer additional amenities in our projects, which considerably increase the value and the uniqueness of the project.
What can you offer to an investor who is considering purchasing not a single unit, but the entire apartment building or a substantial part of the project?
We give a discounted price, of course. We understand that the investor is buying in bulk, is buying several units, and the deal is overall at a higher total amount. That's the first thing. The second thing that we can offer is we assisting with our services, with our property management. So we can assist an investor after the delivery of the properties to be rented out. So we have that service to offer as well. And thirdly, we are a company that is reliable, trustworthy. We've been in the market for a very long time, and we can give legal concessions as to feel safe when they are doing their investment.
This is the difference between buying property and investing in property. The correct sequence is simple. Start with a trusted local lawyer, structure the investment properly, then select the right project and developer. This approach protects capital, saves time, and opens opportunities for larger, more strategic investment.